Hello you guys and welcome to my channel and welcome to How to Kill a Kit with Style, my intro for November. I wanted to show you my awesome, amazing kit. So I started subscribing to the thier kits as soon as they started coming out. I love them. I've only skipped one, and that was one not too long ago, I think last month's, because I just wasn't feeling it and I already had a bunch of what was in the kit. So yeah, but anyway, this theme for this month for How to Kill a Kit with Style is all the color and texture. And what better than fall collections? And fall to me in general has texture. Wood, leaves, crisp air, pumpkins, squash, like all the texture, right? So we've got a giant kit here because it's a thier kit. So you know it's giant. I'm gonna get it all out. We're gonna use all of it. I also got, she had this like mini add-on. It was almost like a kit, and so we're gonna add that in too because why not? So this is the embellishment add-on. I was just tucking under. This is the cardstock add-on, and this is the main kit. So let me show you. And then this was the, it was called mini something, I don't remember. But there's these awesome solid, semi-solid, they're like polka dot on one side and solid on the other, 6x8s. Farmstead Harvest by American Crafts. Just a generic American Crafts, all one-sided, but beautiful colors. Some fun cut-aparts. Yeah, and this must be like a, you get 2 of everything type, because she only gave me half, which is perfect because I don't want 2 of everything. But so then we got that, and then we get these gorgeous Color Vibe Fall from Simple Stories. I love these alpha sticker books. So we've got some great colors that will go with everything. So we're gonna add those into the kit. The embellishments have a lot of texture. We've got these Freckled Fawn wood veneer leaves. I have a lot of other wood veneer from Color Cast I can use. These Freckled Fawn hearts, wood veneer hearts. Farmstead Harvest puffy stickers. There's some texture. Some more texture, 49 Market. I'm pretty sure that's what they are. These stitched frames or backers. So they're stitched, so we can add more stitching in wherever we want. Chipboard or cards, they're cardstock frames, but they're thicker than, you know, your regular wool. Yeah. So these are Simply the Best from Pink Fresh. Love those. Some puffy alphas from Pink Fresh as well, and these are from Chrysanthemum. I love the color. And then these cute stickers. I already have this whole sticker sheet from the scrap room, and it's seriously my favorite. All these little critters. Love them. So, and there's a lot of good leaves and like little banners, and it's just all fall related. So I'm kind of excited to be able to use that again. All right, so that was embellishment add-on and the little mini kit add-on. This is what comes in the regular kit. You get 3 doilies. Also texture, right? Some sequins, thier sequins gather. That adds texture. Frames and tags from I Love Fall. So there's a lot of good stuff in here too. I only had a little bit of this stuff, so I'm excited to have more of it. I love the tags and the frames, so I'm excited to have some of those. Pink Fresh, Good Times, these wood accents. They're like little wood banners and frames. Love them. Those will add some more texture to everything. These foam thickers, fallish, from American Crafts. Also going to add lots of texture. Color Vibe, alpha stickers in black, can never go wrong. All right, let me show you these, the cardstock add-on. I don't get the pattern paper add-on because there's already so many pattern papers in here that I wouldn't, yeah. You get 2 of each, so you get 2, so then you can make a bunch of double pages if you want, which I'm gonna attempt to do to help use up a lot of our stuff. What color is this? This is Basil Typhoon, textured cardstock. This is Basil Festive, and it's the textured, like dotted cardstock. More texture, more color. Basil Walnut Cream. Love that color. And then the gold foiled. You get just one of these gold foiled. What's this one called? Cream copper foil. Sorry. Copper. Which is fun because then I know there's copper. I can add copper in, and I was just swatching all my things, and I'm pretty sure I have a really good copper mica mist that I should use. All right, so let's look at the pattern paper, and then I will have a lovely kit for you, and I'm so excited to actually get started on this at the beginning of the month. Hopefully, I'll be able to keep it up and work on it, but my plan is to just work on this kit. So this is Farmstead Harvest Fall Confetti Tiny, it says. Interesting. So yeah, I think it's just the print is tiny, and I love this blue. This blue with this blue cardstock is to die for. Pink Fresh, Lovely Blooms. I feel like everybody was cutting this one out. I also like this side. Pink Fresh, Lovely Blooms again. This is Keep Growing. Both sides are lovely. I love fall. I love this pattern. It's a very nice neutral. Autumn Woods. And this Get the Cute Trees. Acorn Lane, another collection I love. From Simple Stories. I like this paper is my heart. I love that. Farmstead Harvest. I never heard of this collection, which is good. This is Fall Confetti Dark, so it's all the different leaves and stuff on a dark background, and the back is this gorgeous, it's almost like the dandelions, you know? That's, yeah. Acorn Lane, another good one. This is a cut apart, but this one I love. More dark blues. Look at all these colors. We have orange, red, blues, browns, yellows. So many good. I love fall. This lovely leaf and this funky wonky polka dot. This is the Elements of Fall is what the paper's called. And this is Fall Fun. This is a great plaid from Cartabella. Also, I've had this paper in a TSR kit. Flannel Warmth. So I love that. Another Fall Fun seasonal sunflowers. I love this green. Backside is that. And then here comes another great blue. Fall Fun. And then Cartabella. This is Pumpkin Spice, but this is my favorite, that blue. I'm going to be using a lot of the blue, I think. And then this gorgeous, like this paper I hate because I love both sides. This I love and this I love. So, you know, I'm going to have to tear and use both sides. It's yeah. So I've got a lot of good colors, a lot of good blues and yellows, which are my favorite fall colors to play with. A lot of good oranges, like this rusty brown orange color. And then you've got some lighter colors like this and these deep greens and pinks. So you can go all sorts of ways with this kit. And then the gorgeous cardstock to go with it. So I'm going to start gathering photos to start documenting in this amazingly large kit. And I don't necessarily have to cut in my papers to matte photos because I have this and this. So that's why I wanted to bring that in. But yeah, this is a giant kit. Let's try and tackle it this month. I think we can do it. Happy November. All right, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out everybody else who's playing with How to Kill a Kit with Style down below. We'll see you next time.